sketchiest, but...
Oh, that was so fun. Okay, I got no brakes. We got no brakes.
Monkey, oh no, brakes.
You just love the taste of sunscreen in the morning. This is our setup from last night. Little van, we got a fire pit, made some food, killing it. This is it. This is us. Me and Kelsey are just eating cereal. This is the best breakfast spot we've probably ever eaten at. Did you just see that hummingbird? How close it was? Dude, it like came up and said g'day. I'm gonna try again. That was crazy. Breakfast. Ooh.
I can't eat all of these.
Can't eat them all?
I don't know why I can't.
Alright, let's go. Little mountain goat Kels. So we just talked to a park ranger, and what they explained is we have to get on this free shuttle, which is insane, and they're gonna just take us all through the main trails. We're gonna get off at Lower Emerald Pools and do a 2-mile hike. So let's get on the free shuttle. This is like Disneyland, but for adventure. Ooh, this is the line. You ready, Kels?
Oh yeah.
Canyon up at the Weeping Rock stop.
Alright, so right behind me is the bridge. As soon as we cross it, we're on Emerald Trail. It's a 2-mile hike, so come along, let's do this together. Stop number 1 for hiking hair. I wonder how many more stops we're going to be doing on this trip. My wife's a hairdresser. What else could I say? She'll do this all day. Mad slippery mud right here. You gotta hold on the rail. Mad slippery, you good? The water feels amazing. Stop number 2, wardrobe malfunction. We got a little pebble, and I'm changing batteries. Sony cameras just don't last on the batteries.
2,000 years later.
That was Lower Pools, that's nothing. So now we're gonna hike up to Upper Pools. This is gonna be way more better. Way more better?
Look, some have back feet. How weird is that?
Oh wow, that's like... I can't hear any water, so I know there's not gonna be a waterfall. The poster was this massive waterfall. I'm out of breath, but I'm loving it.
Are the bottom of your feet on fire?
The bottom of my feet are on fire. We're walking in hot sand. What's the temperature on your iPhone?
The Apple Watch says 101.
Apple Watch says it's 101 degrees right now. I believe it. Turned in, I thought we were gonna like be walking up a river. This turned into walking up the craziest rocks ever. This is so hard to do, and then it's just here. We're so close. I'm not gonna lie, this is incredible. It's like your own little private beach in the middle of absolutely nowhere. It's so sick. Alrighty, we found our little camp spot for a bit, away from everybody. What do you think, Kels?
Crazy.
I think it's absolutely beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to swim in this.
Ryan Litzel.
That's a top knot.
The way back is so much easier. So much easier. Alright, so me and Kelsey are walking back down to the bottom. It's a much easier hike back down. I'm gonna throw you back in my bag because it's nothing you haven't already seen. So I'll see you at the bottom.
For a beer.
For a beer and a hot dog. Good job.
So good. So awesome.
Remember, never feed water. Strenuous. It is steep and narrow, with 1,000-foot drop-offs on both sides at the top.
Top knot. The beast. It's still here, Kels. Alright guys, after discussion with Kelsey, we've decided that we're going to end the vlog here. Not because we don't like you guys, we love you. Please subscribe to the channel, but because we're going to Vegas right now and we're going to book our hotel, book if we're going to go to a show tonight, we've got a lot of stuff to do along the road. So I'm going to start editing, Kelsey's going to start booking, and we're going to get there. And I bought a stick. Not a walking stick, it's for Gunner, a $19 dog toy. You! See you guys next time.